This picture illustrates the front left side of the engine compartment. Using a 17mm socket with a ratchet, rotate the tensioner lug in a counterclockwise direction to relieve tension on the accessory drive belt. If you are going to be reusing the belt, it is a good idea to mark the rotation direction before removing it. Then remove the accessory drive belt from the tensioner pulley in the direction of the green arrow. Using a T10 torque socket, remove the right mounting fastener as indicated by the green arrow. Next, remove the T10 torque left side mounting fastener, green arrow. You do not need to release the tension on the accessory drive belt tensioner to loosen and remove this fastener. We have done so to give a better view of the fastener's location. Pull the accessory drive belt tensioner away from the engine. Installation is the reverse of the removal procedures. Fit the accessory drive belt tensioner into the engine block and install the two fasteners and tighten them. Route the accessory drive belt around the pulleys, start at the alternator, then wrap around the water pump, then pass it over and around the tensioner and onto the crankshaft pulley. Now wrap it underneath the AC compressor pulley and around the power steering pump pulley. Finally, hold the accessory drive belt tensioner in a counterclockwise position and fit the belt over the idler pulley. Release the accessory drive belt tensioner and it will tighten down on the belt. Make sure the belt is properly seated in each pulley and start the car. Make sure the belt does not vibrate excessively and does not make any noise. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.